Power Blast Plus 3 in one pressure washer is marketed as a powerful cleaning tool that claims to blast away dirt, grime, and stains while offering multiple spray modes for different cleaning jobs. The ads make it look like it can replace a full-size pressure washer, but the real question is, should you buy before watching this? Now, to be fair, portable pressure washer attachments and compact cleaning tools are a legitimate product category and can be useful for light-duty cleaning tasks. What it does well: versatile spray modes. The different spray settings can make it suitable for rinsing cars, patios, windows, and outdoor furniture. Easy to use. Most models attach quickly to a standard garden hose and require minimal setup. Where the hype falls apart, it's not a true pressure washer. If it connects only to a garden hose, it cannot generate the same high pressure as a motorized pressure washer. Cleaning power is limited. Stubborn stains, heavy mold, and years of built-up grime may still require a real pressure washer. Marketing often exaggerates performance. Promotional videos frequently show dramatic before and after results under ideal conditions. So, should you buy the Power Blast Plus 3 in one pressure washer? Short answer: maybe, if you understand its limitations. If you need a convenient attachment for light outdoor cleaning, it may be worth considering. But if you're expecting professional-grade pressure washing performance, you'll likely be disappointed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.